Nana B na catcher, what can't say start here or say Bawumia has nothing. He cannot convince any Ghanaian. Nana B, a national executive of the NPP. They were recording themselves. That was those people Afenyo-Markin, Emma Musika, so when campaign in Tia Bawumia. See, Bawumia has no promise. When deep down, they know the secret. They are fooling people. Because some of them so much Jimmy went on to say, after all these things, anytime catch a Ghana for say, I can tell you the number Bawumia will get in 2028. I can tell you. Bet my catcher one day. Because I know the NPP than so many people in Ghana. Omo bloggers and I know the NPP more than them. I know baby Omo Jimmy level. I know how they think. Omo Nyansa level. I know the NPP. It's on right now they are stuck. They don't know what to do. But and then the man who said majority of the executives of the party no more Jimmy. Because when Bawumia suggested, say, Mama Menko first, and Yanko to Abama first, they did not ask themselves, say, okay, we like Bawumia, does Bawumia like us? They did not ask themselves that question. Yepe Bawumia because they thought to say, so Mama Bawumia election never first, incompetence, no, ebe katasuna Bawumia bully omu through for them to become executives again. But you see, Mahmoud Bawumia so advises a catch and say, so I didn't with these derricks, SRD with 2028. There is no way you are going to win because these are the same people who gave you the 38%. Thank you for Ghana, some executives of the party. They gave Bawumia 38%. Communication, the way they conducted themselves, the way they conducted the campaign, these are the same people who gave Bawumia 38%. If Bawumia moved these same people, so almost somebody in the chair, the probability of them dropping from 38 is a 99,000% high. But Jimmy smart in politics in tea. Mahmoud Bawumia didn't convince you so. Mama men started me the first. Me first. That was the trap or set them in their heads. Bawumia pay us them. No, Bawumia deliberately set that trap for them. Jimmy tea. Yankotuma Bawumia no mko dada anko for mu Bawumia. Today Bawumia is selecting. Inti Bawumia, but Bawumia does not want them. So the derricks are now all hanging around. They don't know what to do. Politics 101 amechira. Now, Mamenka semini enim. Politics are very tricky. From my experience, our politics are mayeno. One of the most complex but easiest thing to analyze. Andrea Mekasemi NPP4 say, man way, Mahmoud Bawumia is a liar. And every liar is a thief. Every thief is a criminal. And mentiti yemuno. Me who kromfo yen krimonida. Because to me, obi oyen kremoni papa biano onye kromfo. To me, the little I've learned about Islamic religion, obi a oye trufu biano ontumi nyen kremoni papa. Because Allah only recognizes a ye inkremofo a omudi de inokure. So this guy, he's a thief, a liar, and he's somebody nobody can trust in Ghana politics. That is the reality. Enti so obi nyankopon to mean jinin this or inkremoni papa because na kumemuno or trufu. The probability of sap nipan or we prekono it is high. And I have shown Michelle MP before. Nyoma Bawumia ya echirese onye kremoni papa or we preko. So mo Bawumia ko da mutietie mu no. I Kevin Taylor or say Bawumia we preko yem fan kwotwa yes yem fan kwotwa but papa we trofo. It is not about even preko no. Preko dey so owe. So we preko no eton chan papa we or your trofo on kanokre. Secondly, onim economics or your liar. He is just a liar. 2024 from 2020 to 2024, Bawumia nka economy ho asem. Anameboa. Inti MPP for nkwasiafo amudi na chimi busamo. Edenema akwa we eye intelligent when it comes to economics. And the only thing I do about politics are more MPP for more far na brand only party card. I am more MPP than this liar. Me chiramu. Dear Emma Bawumia ye prekorifo no e na me chirawo no. Yes, obi di prekorifo de ko campaign. Ye chiramu so Bawumia ye trofo Ghana for ntumi njini ndi. Eti Mahamudu Bawumia, the money beji ni di or Ghana politics mun say na obi an yi de ni ba Ghana politics mainstream politics mun ka say or economist ni enti bi da. We had people who were economists we knew, but nobody went around the nation telling Ghana for say on the economy pa na or no ye the Ghana shedding sa ye sika asem nyina be pepepe akwa when started san kwasi asem no Ghana. Emma 90% of Ghanaians trusted this guy because there were symposia, and colosseums and colossia. This guy made us believe, say, on economics. Yeah, the Ghana shedding semua. Yeah, the Ghana ne mana. So from 2008, this guy has been on our neck or necks, and he was all over the place telling us to say, "Omo no mudi ni mo manage Ghana ni nyina Jimmy. Ono ne nimu nyansa ye de chekere man. Wey or we preko on kanokre." Mo pese me chema de kudi enti Ghana for obi antoma Bawumia na o ye trufo na trufo bia wi preko no nkremoni a o ye trufo bia wi preko is a fact na me kire mu basis no kwasiafo. Now adekudi enti Ghana for ma Bawumia chance say ombedi Ghana for enim embe running mate embe vice president because there was one thing he was saying osina oya economist ade na wako school akosua eno na watro ho thesis eno na obi enim no wi ase say oya doctor when it comes to economics eno na yede Bawumia say bra na omo mo bedi enim nyina JJ Rollins na onya economist intini yesi onim amabuo onim sikasem ntotoye JA Kofuor palatable na onya economist. The vice president, Ali Mama, no, so you're economist. Atamil Sebaye, yes, or a professor. He was a professor in economics. Atamil's vice president, John Mahama, no, you're economist. So Mahamudu Bawumia may betia, yes, only the new day. Kwasia for Muntiame. Only the new day. And Ocha Ghana for Ahemfo. Ahema, Yama Amenom, Yapapanom. He stood on different platforms. And Okasa, Yamfa Gideon Shenimu, na yadi to me mana. Or no betuma sesa Ghana sika sam. Sa time ye nyina ka se Kufuor no num wi or a drug addict inti Bawumia ne nim nyansa inti Kufuor do Jimmy kura Bawumia nim nyansa nkwa de ne nyansa no bekata Kufuor so enyansa nam ka kire ene ma Bawumia bedi Ghana vice president 2016 from 2014 15 16 no bia nim se Kufuor do Jimmy na Kufuor do watena politics mu ache wabe former foreign affairs minister wabe we are wabe MP we knew Kufuor near him do betuma ye Kufuor's record was dirty. So yen nyina agi tum say Bawumia nim nyanse onim sikasam ntoto ye de say ye de Kufuor do echi a na do dan Kufuor do drug addict ye ben a ceremonial president say ne papa na Mahamudu Bawumia waka kire say oni economics no onim economics no or no ebetumi manage economy ni ye. That is why we voted for Kufuor and Bawumia finito. Sa kokohwedie we ebeji to me kwasiafo me kire mu de 2028 elections nim. Politics is about trust. Nobody trusts this liar who eats pork. Me kire mu kwasiafo politics is about trust. Wasem a ye besom ansa na ye beso wasem no na eye gidi a ye wo mu. This guy wama Ghana broken heart to the point whereby e che ono ankasa no meduro wu ansa na ye din boni ache no. MPP, foot soldiers, and stupid bloggers. I'm educating you people. In the 2028 election year, it is not about where you say, it is about trust. Who can trust this liar? Yatam to me, Bawumia, from 2017 to 2024. 2017 to 2024. Yade dollar eshe Bawumia nsem. Na dollar ni was 3.4 to $1. Ghana cedis no na o the dollar no to Ghana cedis uyi $1 na 3 cedis 40 pesos. Sa na ja ekro ne she akwa wensa. Nkremoni a otwantro ewi preko obi nie. Me kire mo. Boje say it's about their characters. It is about character no any the character na ye. And then it works hand in hand. They move the same pace. And then I make sure no 2016 ya tam to me ma akwa we kokohwede we ene ese ene age boy Rollins ejimi Kufuor ejimi Atamil ejimi Mahama ejimi ende kokohwede age una unim nyansa yesi wa yedwuma Bank of Ghana the money is there akwa we ya tam to me ma akwa we me kira mu kwasiafo ya ba 2027 amobati we bodam ni kura nji Bawumia ndi bodam ni obi a wa bodam cannot trust Bawumia. It is based on trust. The reason why Ghana for certain said to Obama John Mahama was because of the belief GDA na no asem na GDA wom ene de na why pain. Ya tam to me ma kwawe. What did we see in Ghana? Otam dollar ni free 3.4. Mahamudu Bawumia every power na dollar ni nam 1780. Almost na $18. 1780. Na petrol a liter and over 23 Ghana cedis. Kwasiafo na Ghana yeka yede na abro 1 trillion. Mahamudu Bawumia under him inflation ekoya could do 54%. Aya interest rate it crossed 30%. We are talking about somebody who says he's an economist. Kwasiafo, there's no trust in this guy. I will pick a class 5 teacher or a math over this guy. And or catch them so in Krebonia Minjindi because at Trono de Bedi Ghana sono. A say or young Krebonia or Chatrono or we preku. That is the basis. Answer na media mamono. K no. Mujize Revi. We are going to use Obia terminal report to judge them whether they are legitimate, they are credible, they are intelligent enough to lead Ghana. Na mon kwasiafo ende de Kufuado yaka se ye ma Kufuado be di president mo beti ase mo be ka so no ye ntia ase adan a wagimi na Mahamudu Bawumia me kiramo enti se ka se Bawumia wi preko a saa nyoma we nyina na ekekesi ani ne ehu so onye nkremoni papa odisivu nipa oya trofo into trofo bia oya nkremoni bia onsom nkremoso no nokware mu no oya prekohwefo and na the answer ne ba so K is to kremo prekohwefo and na me dia ma Bawumia no nobody hates Bawumia Bawumia ngasa ne dwumade a odi ye no ehun sunsanso ne ye ka akire no mwagimi because me kremoni bia oya papa bia odi no kure no onwi preko ne yere so nwi preko enti ye busa o Akwawe, the terminal report na da hono. Adena ombeka terminal report no ho asem. Adena ombe say he is still an economist. Why has he moved from economy to digitalization? Because onimsamo MPP piglets, a group of stupid, myopic, tribalistic, foolish antidotes of human beings. You don't have the brains to understand he's lying to you. He needs to come out. He has money. He can run around the nation and do symposium and symposia and prove to us, say, he's better than Ato Forsen. He's better than John Mahama. He's better than anybody in the NDC. So this guy is a liar. Me matetia kamuso MPP MTKK matetia kamuso. Wasiafo. So we can go back and listen to this liar. And we want him to do the same thing he did in the past. He spoke about the taxes. Onkasa.
Taxes. So you don't go ahead to kill the business. No, let them bring in the raw materials. Let them produce. Then you will tax, at the end of the day. And so our approach, and this is why we are going to bring down corporate taxes. We'll put incentives for real estate, tax incentives for the real estate sector, the special import levy on imports, the 1 to 2%, we will abolish it. And this is all to ginger up production and ginger up the economy. And I think that you have a government where you have cutlasses being taxed, condoms being taxed, and even savings. There was a 1% imposition on savings, which was later withdrawn.
On investments,
yes.
On
investments, which was later. I mean, even to think about it it's
been suspended.
It's been suspended. I mean, but even to think about it.
Oh, it's now abolished,
yes.
Is it? Okay, good.
Yeah, but even to think about it, it doesn't. It just questions who are making these policies. I mean,
but isn't it just another way?
Another way of raising revenue.
Well, yes,
but when you become desperate, this is what happens. That when you've mismanaged the economy into this hole, then anything sounds great to you.
This was when he was in opposition. He was given power. And then not time of opposition. Oka taxes on some or buy it. Ni anti-BBF any e-levy da. Preko refo Bawumia kotina cabinet edgy to Mr. Mofa e-levy to Ghana for so. Na yɛn hu bibi a friend smoke tax and as emission tax. Bawumia kɔgyina parliament cabinet ɛka sɛ munjintum. Yɛfrɛ bibi betting tax. Bawumia tena cabinet ka sɛ munjintum. Modji si ejimi. And now we can digitalization. Wa burn it down. He should come to the basics. Ana me hwɛ mo nkwara mo MPP for ejimi for no. We are going to use his own terminal report to judge him. Oya nkremoni a onka no kure, nkremoni bi a onka no kure onsom nyame wo do kurem no, oya prekowiefo, and Bawumia is a pork eater. Because from his political life, he has never been consistent and truthful. Oya truthful. It you get Bawumia wi preko, na yire so wi preko a. Time no more position, na yire betena radio, so dia no ka kire ye. Kwasiafo, mo je refi.
Opese onoso. Ninim dia nyankopon dia man ono so na kuma pa owo magana fo no he'll bring it to bear. We are vice president. You head the economic management committee of the country. Into economic policies now will be driven by you, and I say you will be directed by you. Into no, I know say he's competent in that area. He's got the focus, he's got the mindset, he's got the experience in macroeconomics, and even as a general academician oni mejuma ejuma ne ye ena ono so ewo adwempa ne akomapa eni nyansa odi be piano na do danko ekufuado ama omo presidency na aye success enya
nkwase asema home economics ni a waware obi kunu ono obekire economy Samira Bawumia na we dey na kire so ye nkremoni ba o kan kore obi okwokin pakosua home economics and at a point na Samira Bawumia na kire economics o kire se ni kunu na nim nyansa na ye busa se wukunu no and on kire se o economist mo say digitalization and ye di Bawumia tem Bawumia ne yire sa Samira no enkwasese mo kan nya di tumi ma ne kunu ogi tumi no fa plane ko India ohoro dross na do share na sese okọ India akofa kunkumbaji ankwasiafo wan sika na do kunkumbaji no ye keke nkwasese mo enyina wi etam tumi ma Samira Bawumia a home econ student and a new kruka economics wan sem to no so ka bi ye tam tumi ma nkofo we nkwasiafo she hopped on a private jet ohoro ne dross potomantom and also okọ India okọhwe de kunkumbaji afo kwasiafo wonyi se refi. These are two liars. And every liar, every Muslim who is a liar is a criminal and a pork eater. We were in this country. We're 2026. 2026. This was in 2016. Prove you are an economist. Bawumia to emisata. Kwasiafo. And the Abusa Bawumia said, "On the provincial economist, Musi Didi Natem, Nano Fim said, who at Twohu, Bolivia, more bodam. Let him come and prove himself." Why Nano Fim said, who at Two, Bolivia? And the Abusa Bawumia questions, they pose a question to him, Musi Dinatem, Nabawumia and the 2-9. He should come into the limelight. Because he was telling or asking or questioning people. He was you Bawumia or say Mr. Arthur and provincial Ghana for or economist. Today we are asking this guy to come and prove himself. I must see a didn't attempt. In Kremoni or you pray on Kanokre, what that Ghana for me. I will never sit here without my facts. Because therefore, someone munyansa as MPP pigletter, you will tell the guy to come and prove himself that he is an economist. And Bawumia or Tete, I saw Tonkeros in Wukrasi. Or titamantem and a obo bottle Jimmy, come and tell us you're an economist. Prove to Ghanaians. Because this guy told us in 2012, 13, 14, 15 that he is an economist. Or tam dollar free 3 to 17. We should give Ghana again to this guy. See what Atoforsen has done. At least the dollar has been stable for a year and 5 months. Interest rates, see where it is. We are talking about single-digit inflation in less than 2 years. Now, Yebusa Bawumia question, he should also come out and prove to us that he's an economist. We are not voting for a digitalization person. We are voting for an economist. Because on Bawumia's resume, on Mahamudu Bawumia's resume, when you go check his background, he's an economist. Now, in Kremonia on Kanokre, Wabedi Sivu Ghana for an imposter, a home econ student. They came to tell us everything about economics. And the Moka is a digitalization agent. More bought down. He should come forward. In Kremofo Kanu. Because in Islam, what I know that the Almighty Allah, Kremonibia Otatrobian Allah sebio oyi neni efri no ho ala embu ni se oye nipa kremoni a oye trofo te saba Bawumia no oye prekorefo because oye kremoni na wundi no kure na se ondi no kure nkyere onyankopon ala ne no kure mu onkremosum a wosum onsum no kure mu a at the end of the day you are the same Muslim who will eat a pork and behave as if you have not eaten a pork. So Bawumia is a pork eater. Mweja. This is not personal. We are questioning him. Yeah. One serious on. Kevin Taylor di Bawumia atem. Na Bawumia ni pay di na tem. Ono we didi ni ho atem no nam. Na no one film said ohutuo el Bolivia. And the Bawumia cannot talk about economy. And the mode Bawumia kwatete. Na mode mu jimi kwa jiji sika na moto abama na moto abama so metete ofie. He should come out. He should speak. We need to question his intelligence. He needs to come and prove to us that he's an economist. He's sat on Mami Chamo. Go for we. Mona mutiate. Akwa we. Ha enkwasa sani bi okan na bi ne. Ye remfi ba akokra wo. Ye be kire infui we. Mo ji se refi.
You will recall that I stated in 2014 that if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. That was true then. That was true then, and it is true now. It is 100% correct. So if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But it is warped logic to jump from that to a conclusion that if there is depreciation in your currency, then the fundamentals must be weak. Do you understand the logic? It is very warped logic. If the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But if the exchange rate moves, you cannot jump to that conclusion that the fundamentals are weak. That defies logic. That defies logic. There could be other external factors causing the exchange rate depreciation. For example, if I tell you that if your leg is broken, you are going to be unable to walk, then I'm somewhere and somebody comes to tell me, this person is unable to walk. Can I just conclude that their leg must be broken?
Wait, on your stable. You cannot just say, my family tree simple man. Time na Bawumia opposition. Or say, so who drive an in a car. Na onam kwes na car call left, call right, call left, call right, and just like driving in a boat. As someone catch you, time na opposition. No. Or say who's a driver need to come. Obi V8 OE. Obi 207 obi dien na car no hu se enam kwan so na call left na ba right call left na ba right na express driver na bo na Bawumia be di president vice president ebusan say oh se sia car no e da ho call left o e na call right e da ho call left e na call so oh express driver na bo e bia na akokono hye ne to enti ne to ye ne de e na ma ne to ye sei enti ore ne to ne de na o ye sia na stia na call left na call right enti ono enti o se engine ni nkwase akeka. Driver na no team first now say call left, call right our bono. And then the ebusa said the same driver and call left and right. Also oh left and right no connect say driver na bo. Na boom ebia alewa she driver na to. Inti ne to ye ne de. Inti alewa ne chia pe na wa chia. Nkwasi akeka. Na ya sorry. Yes Bawumia ni nyansa. True and poor economist. He should prove to us he's an economist, a joker, a comedian, and a pork eater. Mweja. Eternity Kevin Taylor and a Kevin Taylor. Taylor
is there to attack the present government and to make Mama look good. Or your role model.
Kevin Taylor, me say all Casadiama John Damani Mahamano. On Tikrum how? Or to America.
Per se, me who Kevin Taylor, ma'am. Me say, Yaune woman mono, the bonnet, dear.
And you are Kevin Taylor.
Me say, oh, Nason, you're useless. And I've always said, oh, you're useless. Oh, you're useless. What do you say? Oh, you're useless.
Kevin Taylor, $10,000. Now you're NDC full soldier. No, yeah, Duma, say NDC Beba, NDC Ma, because the mama she can na ko Kevin Taylor ho.
Na Kevin Taylor de me de me catch no say.
Na de Kevin Taylor.
No, Kevin Taylor, who you say John Dramani Mahama. Who say yan to about wabusu mu kura no a who you say wabusu afọ beto aban. They will vote for
Kevin Taylor ni when show be our show ye na you ni video no kana content obi o sika be she obi call it say the large is a stupid boy be am for Kevin. Yeah, he's smart, very smart.
We Jimmy Omo. Makacha gara for some Jimmy ne de. Echire yedi mu nyina kugu like busum twimu ne ye dware mo be 8 months. Mu Jimmy no too much. Mu Jimmy too. And you see, senka is smarter. This is the time I'm a flag bearer no onya some serious reflection. No busa no say, okay, 2020, 2024, what went wrong? Because what went wrong is what is surrounding him right now. I'm being honest with you people. Say Bawumia ni munyansa na enye preko no ori na blocking the brains na. Uncle Betina say I serious reflection ebusa no say okay, what actually went wrong in 2024? But you see, the problem is still surrounding Bawumia. These are the same people surrounding him. And funny enough, he still does not see that the problem and they are surrounding no. The executives no money at 38%. No. These are the same people when he steps out, they are following him. These are the same Derricks. These are the same people who gave him 38%. It's about me your bad dream for unimunyansa. Or because I need to do something different from now. But what is Bawumia doing? Bawumia is now campaigning for chairman to be to come and to be the national chairman of the MP. Also, Jimmy, I keep telling these people. Bawumia nimnyansa and Kobe reflect. I say, okay, we need to do something different. But this is the situation. Mahmoud Bawumia is campaigning for chairman to me. And NPP defeat, chairman to me play about 40% role in the defeat of the NPP in 2024. It's a fact. Chairman won't communicate Jemfu Amuna no moye galamse, Kojo Ponkroma, Samia Wuku, Professor Frimpong Boatide, documented by Yen Mukofono me galano essensio. The enim said Bawumia campaign na galamse sika ne de beye. Na Ghana for akoma ba, na Ghana for nkwara ye wo mo anomo nan ni ho, omoni ni ho. Bawumia was benefiting from blood money. So, actually, where Jimmy and still today, you will still be dragging Chairman Woon to me with you. You'll be dragging Justin Kodria with you. You'll be dragging Eyedian, Sankwasiafoi, Nanabi. Unless you are stupid to have somebody like Ejako to be your chair. Yeah, you're Corinne Senino, your friend saying, Sa Corinne Senino. Kwasiampe, your friend saying, also General Secretary. This Onimunyansa. That is my problem. Who are the people advising Bawumia? Akozia Menu. Who? Derek Dennis Miracle Abuaje. Who else again? Sa Dr. Bina the team was sharing Gibina to the team I said Kubediano. And who is advising Nana Komia? Then who is a Katie Nana Kobia the STC and Sa Ogun Poto? Who is advising Bawumia? Nobody. These are the same clowns, the same Derricks. Today Bawumia steps out and you see the kind of people following. There's no gas around him. There's no intelligence around him. There's no strategist around him. These are dirty, lazy, party foot soldiers who have gone through the ranks because the MPP lacks intelligent people. That is the raw truth. I'm not lying to you. The video now is circulating about Nana B saying, Bawumia ni minyansa, Bawumia cannot lead. No, it is the raw truth. Nana B catch romu. That is a fact. So Mahmoud Bawumia ni minyansa at this point, and can say Parliament na mani lose most of the seats, and we change the leadership of the NPP in Parliament. Bawumia Jimmy, I'm telling you, politically it's very foolish. And sometimes it can somewhere now go for a harsh criticism. It's not an insult. Insult and then say unye bibi ani kan sama chiao etiao anedi. Bawumia ye bibi na mechao. So this is hard criticism, harsh one. So when Munyansa, if he wants to give us a party with a new face, the person who led the party from 167 to 68 MPs, you don't still keep that person there. That means you are not intelligent to understand the face of the party in Parliament at a party office. You still don't understand. It needs an overhaul. Intinka Onimyansa nka Afenyo-Markin will not lead the party in parliament. Bawumia dwene wo fom. Wana betunufo ne yiri ya ne nibre draw se chain nkwagye. Who is going to advise Bawumia? Girl ya oni uchedei. Who is going to advise Bawumia? Girl ya ne nibre draw se chain ne nkwagye no. Who is going to advise this guy? He does not have an idea of what he's doing. He's a joker. They can't see an emo yeah, but deep down you people know this is the gospel truth. Paul Ekaye or say, I am never ashamed of the gospel. That is why I'm very confident when I sit on this platform, because the gospel is the word and the truth is the gospel. And that is why I'm never ashamed of that gospel, because the gospel is what is killing the enemies of Kevin Taylor. It me, I will never be ashamed of the gospel. And this is the gospel truth. Mwe Jimmy. Messias, get me the Nanabi audio. Na make sure some details be audio nim. Nanabi, sa audio na okasano. Or the bare 2 seconds extra who Bawumia is. And it was clear. But Omunjintum still more than who Titimoto area, Mwe Jimmy, a lot of derricks around Bawumia, a lot of derricks in the NPP. Because you see, what I am doing, no, it is not out of hatred, though. It is because Mwe Jimmy, I am trying to educate the limited liability party that is filled with limited liability fools. And then I mean time. But your flag bearer is so daft. I am an MPP card-bearing member. Esamifunechi, Debia, it is here. Mituami dues, and Yakotwaba Metubi. Because as I'm at that court, no, the Supreme Court Jitum, say every card-bearing member and Twaba, I will vote for in the MPP. I will be part of the voting. And I have the right to tell people, say, Mwe Jimmy, because I know you people. I am part of you people. Mwe Jimmy Dodo. The first thing you should have done as a flag bearer is to tell yourself, say, no. The face that people hated, the things that make Ghanaians angry is what I need to change. So the first thing you do, you change the face of the party at the party headquarters, then you change the face of the party in parliament. That's the first step you take. But as you see, Oba Odanichi, nene bread draws a chain, a footwo. Bawumia no to no, ne yere na Odanichi no, nene bread sexy draws, size draws, G-string chain, so betuni kunufu. So they are just there. De bia mushana Bawumia 2028 Bawumia sikana we wiano eno no mo begye di hwe we mo ya santifo omnu sane ye dada nipa me say MPP fo na omugu party nim no sa santifo ni bi no enyo mu nyina sa MPP fo no mo party nim dodo no omu ya santifo omu ni matro twa wo menim de omu ya wo upia bontini a de omu di kodi nti ometuma kasa tafre omu to ometuma tafre wo to utwe won se tani aboa eya santifo na oni omu nam. Me as Santinia Kwara. I know the way they think. They see you as a fool. In 2028, Bawumia digitalizes almost away Jimmy. They don't care. They want to eat. They're hungry. They need money. They want to survive. They just want to eat. That is some of them. The MPP for as Antifono Mugumuno. Into Utenino, almost a white general form. Into Pepe, hey, Bawumia 2028. Number 1. Almost a white general form. Omobe dadao. Omu ya menko for omu no to be dada asante kotoko impenifo mu da no na team na gu still omu se team ni gina ne na so minimum. Change the face of the party. Start from parliament. Change those in parliament. They cannot help you. When people see the leadership in parliament, no mu bu ofu. Urade Bawumia pa. Ejuma yangasa wuntumi nya. Adwuma no wuntumi nya.
Ye ma wo kwan se be ye ejuma. Ejuma no want man ye. Obi a be ye ejuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye ejuma no bi. Mengin de se Ghana for be penisa. Ye ma wo kwan se be ye ejuma. Ejuma no want man ye. Obi a be ye ejuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye ejuma no bi. Mengin de se Ghana for be penisa. Ye ma wo kwan se be ye ejuma. Ejuma no want man ye. Obi a be ye ejuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye ejuma no bi. Mengin de se Ghana for be penisa. Ye ma wo kwan se be ye ejuma. Ejuma no want man ye. Obi a be ye ejuma yi na sese wo tena abonten se ye ma wo kwan ye ejuma no bi. Mengin de se
Obi can say, oh, Kevin, stop advising them. They will take your advice. Hey, we mama Jimmy too. Let me tell you, Bawumia's campaign, Sika Erani Bawumia campaign, blood money. And when I say blood money, a criminal money that they got in power. Now, amanfo no mo de krono wie sika na omo eden Ede Pompeo Bawumia campaign from Gabi Ochedakon, Kenufuriata, Ekufuado, they are still active in Bawumia's camp. Yeah, they control. Don't let anybody lie to you. Say Gabi, Ofuriata, Ekufuado, they don't have anything to do with Bawumia. And go with Jimmy or politics, papa. Why hasn't Bawumia been a man with balls, stand on national television to condemn Kenufuriata? Why hasn't he been able to tell Kenufuriata to come to Ghana to prove to Ghanaians and say, "Oh no, Bawumia nya kronfo, Ekufuado nya kronfo, MPP nya kronfo"? Because the money a run Bawumia campaign no, Ofuriata sika, Ekufuado sika, Gabi Ochedakon sika. He does not. He can't. That alone should tell you they have 90% shares in Mahmoud Bawumia's campaign. They run the Bawumia campaign. The strategic thing they are doing, and they say, we don't want to be in the front again. Let's stay back and pump the money. Yeah, United Ghana say MPP ye before, Ekufuado ye before, Ofuriata ye krom 4, Gabi ye krom 4. Now ye several Ghana for ye no the first finance minister in our history. Edwania kwatena America. Ye so omra no wankasa ne fie, or so omma. Ye se ommeyi nyome bia no a ebe prove say Ekufuado nye krom 4. Wo Bawumia wo nye krom 4. MPP as a political party, omunye before ombra keke no ombeyi ano or say omma. There na sa ade ne catch off Bawumia. And from the time I did we see Bawumia to me being a number Ofuriata deal baby. Now you want to tell me Ofuriata is not the one bankrolling Bawumia's campaign? It's Ofuriata. It is Ekufuado. It is Gabi Dems. They are just sitting at the back because all of us Asante do ne kasa. Asante do no more party no. Omu din komo sebio omu shada anwini asem wansa no makasa. So they have taken a step back. They are waiting kada. In kakra, when they get power, I'm telling you people. Mama mure from hockey to ebi. Na mu jimin sam to me manko fowi. A chile coup and a betu free power. A dear mudimu be femuno. Into a game, that is the plan now. Inti sa ensamna ekoso no mommy enkotie Nana B. Now you understand. Sa video we amon person beka ho asem. You know what? Because asema Nana B ka o video no mu bia no audio no mu bia no, it is the truth. And trouble akumponi ho. And you see the reason why they are running from this audio, they say Nana B the less than 1 minute extra the kind of candidate they have. They know say akwano onim nyansa obetume di party nim. They know Asante no more party no omu nyina nim. They don't support the guy. Right now, no realize about Bawumia use omo. Bawumia right now, omo pe Bawumia pe omo. And it's not audio way by no. They don't want to talk about it because reality na Nana B e kan no. Mommy anko tie Nana B. Kwasi afo. Me tubufu na modwa. Nkwasi afo ma. Say ya na ebeko no. Yensesa bibia. De kwa ani. De kwa na ekoi. Ai. Where's the video? Mame bon chira mo. And you see, mame ka bibi chira mo. The plan is there. Meme nim. Omo tite chire. He. Say Bawumia win election and there Ofuriata beba Ghana and there. Yes. Say Mahamudu Bawumia win power and there Ofuriata will come and live in Ghana. And you'll be shocked to know, say, he will still control the finances of Ghana. So don't let them lie to you. Oh, Ekufuado money hand wom. Nanka Ekufuado money hanka Bawumia but win election in Ghana. I'm a prime minister. Udum sike Ekufuado Ofuriata mo say no. You think it's a joke? Because Ekufuado ne Ofuriata they don't like Kennedy Japan. Kennedy knew I'm a camp. That is why they did everything possible to get this Abozegi to win. Mame bona na be in intro. Because I have it here. I'm trying to let me open it. Anytime person beka audio this audio a clear cut. Nana B break it down every single thing Bawumia represent. And you see, sometimes Obaji say I grow. This is the real issue behind the scenes.
Bawumia will not be a good candidate for us this time. I give you a promising kind of form kind of fortunity. Before I never power be the promise me the power. But when the promise be or the kind of form kind of fortunity. In fact, we are promising milk, crowd to school for kind of 1 million. And this is for catching kind of force of poor. Kind of form again this is ready. But I can assure you, the inability cousin. Abranti be a do 18. Obeto car man ase. Obinya car. Kana for medical lady. Why am I saying this? Because village one dam, I know you. Or no, the cottage now. A simple way higher. One village one dam, I know you. One constituency 1 million, I know you. Look down what's our studio, we can say it is NPP's flagship program, and not look down for you. It was problematic. I kept promising a new harbor to be built. No promising airport to Cape Coast. Yeah, the map of Kojina, what can I say? You know, it has any home. It didn't happen. Kojina, you know, Sarabutu. And yet, Grabopini, promising, you say.
How many times do you go to the gym?
Arabia, innocent. See a medical university. We have 42 senior high schools. Americana. It never happened. How many times did they hear about Bawumia promise people? He promised Ghana heaven. He promised a good economy. As we speak now, you know Bawumia didn't get economy wasn't beyond Ghana for. In today, we're not Ghana for you. And that's why I'm saying. NPP, acquire your first superpower. You're promising kind of for baby. Some promise no you're about being to me yet. He can't, because even if he makes it, nobody will believe him. But you are Kennedy. From the time of your politics, every day he has promised, he has delivered. And then you have promised me that Pia will deliver. And now we are not a premise or promises said. And that's you are on that Trabacas, Diamano, the fact, Diamon. Many will say, what cat is from a quarter to and subsequently ever vote origin because they voted for him massively. $1 eternal factory to vote origin. After his promise, just after the campaign, we see a man call, no start to your money and for me, and no, the acquaintance has said, factory, he has cut the sword, and the $36 million eternal factory is being started. Now, because and then was I cut the sword to a central region? Yeah, almost the largest pharmaceutical company in Africa. It's happening right now. He's cut the sword today. Because Central Region was also a base that supported him. So, anytime we are not, Papa, Papa make any promise we have, he delivers on his promises. The question is, if he said, if you should hear Mama Bali, if I'm told, what is saying, Clemophobia, Bawumia, because you know, say, young to Bawumia. In fact, some of the clerics are even openly campaigning for Ken. And openly saying they don't like Bawumia. Not because he's a Muslim or not because he's not a Muslim, but because when you say, why didn't you be a crowd, they cannot identify with him. If I'm told, what to say? Kusasi, Phobia Pia Bonyaka say, oh, you mistake, Jaffe, you don't talk about Bawumia now. Bawumia, a couple, about 555. Yeah, can it be 0? I was sleep home. Yeah, but 2 men, 1, 2, 0 by if I'm a joke. What is someone about a Picasso? Bawumia will not be a good candidate for us this time.
Nana B no catch it, what can't something you know? And Omega so, and you know, they know. Or start here or sit there, or say Bawumia has nothing. He cannot convince any Ghanaian. And to say, this is not the time to bring Bawumia or your failed candidates. Where Nana B, a national executive of the NPP. And I want to know Wasumuno. They were recording themselves. Time and a campaign, campaign and no behind the scenes. No. That was those people Afenyo-Markin, Emma Musika, so when campaign in Tia Bawumia. So this was the kind of campaign no more behind the scenes. Afenyo-Markin was sponsoring that. Okay, so say Bawumia cannot convince even one single Ghanaian. One Ghanaian, Bawumia cannot convince. Okure must say, Bawumia has no promise. Again, Okoka. Again, Bawumia Koka Ghana for Nana Bio or a national executive. Almost national organizer or Sadian Nana B. Okasabi say, Kennedy is trustworthy than Bawumia. There's a party muno, Omucha Bawumia or your trufwa. You cannot trust. These are national executives. Where when a DNM party name, and this is not just his opinion, this is the opinion of majority of the leadership of the party. They know that 2020 they can win. Deep down, they know the secret, but they are fooling people. And because Jimmy, he went on to say, Mahmoud Bawumia, can he speak on 1v1D, one village, one dam? Also, Bawumia failed. Okocha Ghana for throw about one village, one dam. Yeti Kroma, one village, one dam will be. Also, Bawumia is a liar. Nana B neka. Or could anyone say 1 million per constituency? Or say Bawumia ne koka shares about when to me and diso. Bawumia true for Nana B Nana Airbo Bawumia terminal report. Or could anyone say Paulugu Dam? Everybody knows Bawumia lied about it. Omukwane omuwa. Almost Bawumia radio so Eka Paulugu Dam no. The news said the dam never existed. So Bawumia no catro. I didn't know Bawumia ye. Nana B anu asem ena minuti ye no. Also could anyone say Bawumia ko Cape Coast for infantifo ko show mo dao mo. Eka so obesi habo. O se Bawumia ye trofo. Abra unim se enya habo bia untumi si habo ho. O se enu ntie Ekufuado na nka o se Ekufuado sa call back ekopa ho achaw. Efi se Mahamudu Bawumia ye trofo. O se Bawumia ya sa ko Cape Coast catch so obesi airport. Also my bre. They are not supposed to let such a liar lead them. Nana B na eka enya men kwase afro mo TikTok na mo say ye adwuma ma MPP no mo say moa mame. Me hu mo say moa because omo mo wosoro na omonya bi edi no omo mo say mo agimi. Na ye bechi mo nyina magum because mo agimi mo kasa mo dwen say omo dwene mo ho. They don't care about you. Now okore nim no say Mahamudu Bawumia twa chief imam ntro ka kire Ghana fo nkremofo nyina say o kana o say he the man dangerous kra say also what to say nkremoni sofo bi panyini bi asori say support Bawumia also na de kro Mahamudu Bawumia tumi call chief imam ho Sheikh Shaributu eko ka kire de say one the Dubai Saudi Arabia ohene kase di nkomo omo ba besi university medical university also na Bawumia boa me na me kan ye Nana B na eka o say when nyina na Bawumia boa otumi akọ inkremofo panyini a obu no ho a sebio nyame nhira won so a wedi nkremosu mani mo Ghana for years at the age of 17 around 17 a chief imam be the chief imam of Ghana enye enne wedi nkremofo anim. There's been so many times na amanfo dwen say sebio inkremofo ebia one time otumi kasa na obi aye din because of the respect he controls. Mahamudu Bawumia tumi nanti kolenu ko twa papa ntro. No respect for the religion, for the street. Bawumia is just a habitual liar. Nana B kasa no say Mahamudu Bawumia, he cannot speak on the economy now. O se Bawumia tumi ka economy ni ho asem. O ya true fonti on tumi ka economy ni ho asem. What work at him say me time MPP. Mwana mo come asem. When him some candidate no, he is not qualified to be a candidate. He is not qualified. This is an illegal candidate. The candidate has no qualities. Or your true for is a liar. In Cremonibia or your true phobia or you preko Bawumia or your pork eater. On any year, you preko. On this basis, I'm lecturing so you preko and a wolf more kasa and that dear and some for NDC about Obianka say NDC are buying 100%, but it is 1,000,000 times better than Kwasiafo we are a human. Yeah. And this is buying 100% too. But we will choose this 1,000,000 times over Monkwasiafo we are the. And I am showing you why Bawumia can never even beat a dog in Ghana. He can't. Because at least man's best friend is a dog. You know the reason? Because dogs can be trusted. Bawumia cannot even beat a dog in Ghana. Say the Kramai picture, and the Bawumia picture, men will pick a dog because they can trust their dog than Bawumia. I am telling you, this is no disrespect. These are facts. Because man's best friend is a dog. Why is the cat not man's best friend? Why is a crocodile not man's best friend? The dog is trustworthy. The dog believes in their loyalty. But Bawumia is not trustworthy. Bawumia does not believe in your loyalty. Into Bawumia ne kramai contesting na Ghana for will choose a dog. Just our bread. Krama your friend chese obre suro nyame adomache nyame na ehwe. A dog like that, people will choose that dog over Bawumia on any day when they are put together, they are put on the ballot box. These are facts. Nana bi ka no say what is sekusasi for na mamprusi for pa babonte some support Bawumia. Also one ka send him send kromo for krampono. They don't regard him because he is a liar. Na me church musa Bawumia or your incremony on kind of cre or your politician on kind of cre or your true for now nobody should think about Bawumia was me did Bawumia tem. Monana bi na ekasa asem no. And I said we share a year Salakawa. Ni diankasa de Frederick. Into what be share a year Salakawa be a friend of a year Frederick.
Hey, Derek.
Oh, Derek.
Derek. Hey, say, Nifani Nidi, Utu Diano Choini, Derek.
It's baby I'll be who Salakawa biano. Ni diankasa de Derek. And wakache MPP for say your friend a year Masaudu. The friend a Chemabuga Bugabia. Ni diankasa Salakawa ni diankasa at the Derek. Ni dino no. Or that the MPP for the birth certificate, a dear was no. It was a Janabogri, and or that the MPP for say or in Kribuni or Bois or Yupreku. Sa a ye Salaka or ye MPP for chairman Siciano, the Nufino, Sa Quani Diancasa de Derek, young friend or a yedian, Chairman Bugabugane, Masadi, and the young friend Nanya Dino no. Baby Abe will be a friend of Derek, Nidino no, and Intina a ye Abranti with she and our friend or said Derek and Uchani.
Hey, Derek. Derek. Hey, say, Nifani Nidi, Utu Diano Choini, Derek. Hey, Derek. Derek. Hey, say, Nifani Nidi, Utu Diano Choini, Derek. Hey, Derek. Derek. Hey, say, Nifani Nidi, Utu Diano Choini, Derek. Hey, Derek. Derek. Hey, say, Nifani Nidi, Utu Diano Choini, Derek. Hey, Derek. Derek. Hey, say, Nifani Nidi, Utu Diano Choini. Hey, Derek. Derek. Hey, say, Nifani Nidi, Utu Diano Choini, Derek.
Eti, what about Salaka will be a friend Derek, Nidino no. Sabu Gebuganes, a young friend, the Diancasa de Derek. Aye, or you preku, Saquano, Salaka or you preku. Or we preku time. Now I'm hearing a phone in Nimae. Oh, Yana too, the tubebre or so shall have shoe. The nature tan. Your friend Derek. Into from Endano, well, be share a yes Salaka. So, Derek, I'm friend Derek, the dinner offer the best certificate bachelor. Me say offer the birth certificate and bachelor, your friend Derek. Oh, you know, no more bad than people, you're you're free stream, ye. Jimmy Omoa, Niacomus, Salmon Yankrim for Salmon free stream. Sa Quado Salaka or your friend Derek, and on an Ghana. Anything according to you, be behind so Yanipa. Menkasa Derek for Yanipa. I just want to be behind this. Or you know, maybe said the eyes or bottom. I saw bottom. Me, it is Sana or your imposter, and Yanni Dino, no, your friend Derek. I, Mr. S, get me his picture. Ni Diancasa de Derek. Get me his picture. Your friend into MPP for Samo Salaka, no, Chairman Bugabugano. Monko can is often the best certificate in that TV so no match there. Mr. Obwa Ghana ni. Or your Derek, ni Dino no. Aqua when I make up. Oh, Mr. S, get me the cow's picture. Derek. Where Jimmy too. Sa Chairman Bugabugano, where Jimmy too. Your friend Derek, ni Dino no. And no matter die, almost can crack. It may be a 1 year against so many answer. Where Jimmy. Where Jimmy. Say your friend Derek. Yes, ni Dino no. Say we on the guys come to me to where Jimmy to a whole political party chairman. Oh, hey, I hope this is their chairman. Oh, right now as we speak. MPP for chairman ni hwase be na no catch
Kevin Taylor show Kevin Taylor nini twasere Kevin Taylor nini twasere oh 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 Kevin Taylor nini twasere oh
Derek you know MPP for chairman no chairman ni me catch them say we momo Jimmy. It's a limited liability company filled with limited liability cows. Only this is Derek. That's his name.
Hey, Derek. Hey, she. Ni funny needy. Utu di ano ni Derek. Hey, Derek. Hey, she. Ni funny needy. 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 Utu di ano
Derek, Alaji Derek. I mean, video when Jimmy too. Mo Jimmy too. When I'm a chairman, Chairman Penitoto. Derek, when I Alaji Derek. Wait, Jimmy too. Me didn't want me to be now. How can you make such a person be a chairman, a national chairman in your party? Wait, Jimmy. How can you make such a Derek? How can you allow such a Derek to lead a party and you tell me so, Kevin Taylor, my MPP mbra power? Na mo bugana for saying. Inti akwa yankasa Alaji aka Salakau Derek. Salakau Derek no onye. Alaji Derek aka Salakau Derek onye. It will be obeshe be also Derek. Alaji Derek. Ni dino no over the best certificate bechere. Kwasia. Ni wo fin. No kan. Ne ho kan wei na oda oba so wei ne tu fin pa I say watch abom wei ne tu fin akwa wei uyi white hanky now the fan na ase a o the okase o mbie ne hwu ase never white hanky forward e be da ne brack mesi akwa wei enwumbre na gan say oh masa wudu kunturumu now the white hanky fa the ton a e be ye brack kwasia Alaji Derek Jimmy when you know the MPP anim and we sit here mon person be change party no the face of the party no at this point no the executives na omo ye kuma pa Bawumia wi no the executives want Bawumia but Bawumia doesn't want them and I study here and anything right now no omo prime minister will study and then omo ye constituencies no omo wo omo se no because you see the same people who ended bringing Bawumia to give the party 38%, you know, they are the same people Bawumia rigged an election. Omo and buyer say yembe from top to bottom approach. Derek wake home. Now, so let's study MPP now. MPP executives, you know, because omo nyanim so omo failing in 2024, and they know say obi onim nyansebia will not keep them. No, they all came together and said, let's make Bawumia the flag bearer. Now, Bawumia be a flag bearer. They are about to go for their national elections, executive elections. Bawumia does not want them. Because the fact of the case is they say, Bawumia benya 38%. You know? These are the same people Bawumia needs to needs to move to from 38 to the 93. Now, in Kofunom de 38 ma Bawumia no. These are the same people na Bawumia urging so into Bawumia no, he does not want them. It's 90% of the executives, you know. Bawumia does not want them. Bawumia no more Jimmy. Bawumia da omo. And Okachiro say, oh, for the first time in our history, yan from top to bottom approach. And omdi omo kwasi akoye campaign ma Bawumia be wini. Now, you see right now, Bawumia does not want them. Into they are struggling and into that they are touching the albums around the nation. That is the trick. It is a critically. Say Bawumia sebi also onimunyansa. These are the same people in 2024. Collapse the party no lead you campaign we are 38%. Why na onimu nyansa obesa saka nkofo ye nto aba mo no mo samfam brapa they can't. Yenyi Derek in free so they cannot do it. It is a one study the executives now mo failing no the Nanabis, the JFKs, the Abronyes, the Dereks, the Mustafa Salam and Kwasi Afenyo Markin no they all want Bawumia because they have failed. Now, Bawumia Ewini, he does not want them because Bawumia himself, if he takes the same group of Dereks into 2028 elections, one should bet about 24, which is his number in 2024. So the question here is, we are politician now, will you still go with the people who gave you 38%? And I say you will start changing the executives. That is the question for Bawumia. It is the corrupt, lazy, foolish executives no Bawumia 38 you know omo Jimmy Bawumia dada omo say yenyi Bawumia first now yenyi Bawumia we otiechire he's now pointing the people he doesn't want to work with. It is a what study executives no pe Bawumia but Bawumia does not want them because they are a team that cannot make him win elections. Okay, we each mom so did your matam. Omo Jimmy too. Omo Jimmy to sa phone no MPP4. Omo Jimmy to sa phone no phone.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it. I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated.